Most seniors are trying to control their blood pressure but ignoring one of the simplest things that could help. It's not a medication, it's not expensive, it's a fruit you probably already have at home, and cardiologists often recommend it for a very specific reason. Hello, I'm Dr. Rehan Omer, a consultant interventional cardiologist. I treat patients with high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, heart failure, and arrhythmias. Blood pressure is one of the most important factors in heart health after 60. Small daily habits, especially diet, can make a meaningful difference over time. That magic fruit is banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in blood pressure regulation. Most people focus only on reducing salt, but the real balance is between sodium and potassium. When sodium levels are high, blood pressure can rise. Therefore, potassium helps counter the effect by supporting how blood vessels relax and function. It also helps regulate fluid balance, which affects pressure inside the blood vessel. Wait, this is important. It's not just about eating banana. It's about what they replace in your diet. If bananas replace processed snacks or high sodium food, the effect becomes much more meaningful because now you're reducing sodium, increasing potassium. But bananas are not the only fruit that supports heart health. There are 3 others which cardiologists often recommend, and one of them may surprise you. Fruits that support cardiovascular health include berries, which are rich in antioxidants, oranges, which provide vitamin C and potassium, avocados contains potassium, healthy fats, and good amount of proteins. Each works differently, however, but all supports the vascular health. One of my patients, who was 70 years old, asked me if diet changes could help support his blood pressure. He stated he started adding potassium-rich foods, walking daily, reducing processed foods. Over time, these changes supported his overall cardiovascular health. But here's where most people go wrong. They expect one food to fix everything. No single food replaces medical care, medication, and lifestyle change. But small daily choices repeated consistently can support long-term heart health. Next, we'll cover something critical. 7 early warning signs of heart failure that many seniors ignore, even when the symptoms are already there. Make sure you watch that next video.